17 Dal curry with yellow lentils. We turned this Indian dish into a recipe with less oil while keeping the rich flavors. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon olive oil, hash or cooking spray, 1 large onion diced finely, 1 Thai chili diced finely, 4 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons ginger grated, 1.5 cups yellow lentils, 1 tablespoon ground turmeric, 2 teaspoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 3/4 cups low sodium vegetable broth, 1 can diced tomatoes, juice of half a lime, salt and black pepper, cilantro to garnish, lime wedges to garnish, cooked brown or white rice. Directions: 1. Heat olive oil in large pan. 2. Add onions, garlic, ginger and chilies and allow to sweat over medium heat. 3. Add lentils, spices, tomatoes, 2 cups of broth, dash of salt and pepper. 4. Bring to a simmer and reduce to low. Cook with the lid slightly open for 20 minutes. Stir frequently. If the lentils have absorbed the liquid, add more broth. You want this thick but still have plenty of liquid. 5. Once the lentils are softened and done cooking, add lime juice and adjust the seasoning to taste. Serve over rice and garnish with cilantro if desired. 1 fist of rice equals 1 yellow light. 1 fist of lentils equals 1 yellow light. Recipe note: potency of the curry powder and turmeric can affect the flavor of curry. Fresher equals more potent. Always start with a smaller amount and increase as you go. Recipe serves for serve with a green salad or roasted cauliflower, pea. 28. For a complete carbo meal. 18 Lentil burger on lettuce. Lentils are a great source of iron.